Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can reverse a given number. Suppose that we are given a number n is equals to 12 and we want to reverse it. So our reversed number, suppose n dash, will be equal to 21. So how we can do that? For that we have to keep in mind one formula where reverse is equals to reverse into 10 plus last digit. So how this formula works? Let's see example 12. Initially considering reverse as 0, then reverse, putting the values in the formula, then we can have reverse 0 into 10 plus last digit. Here last digit is 2, and we know how to extract the last digit of any number. If you don't know, then we can check our previous videos. So our reverse will be 2. Now in second iteration we'll extract out this last digit. Now we will have this reverse. We have reverse value as 2 into 10, and then our last digit is now currently 1. So it will 20 plus 1, which will be 21, and which stands true, which is the reverse of our required number. So how we can write this through using loops? Simply we can initialize reverse as 0, and suppose that we are given an integer n of which we want to do reverse. Then what we can do, we can run a loop while this n does not becomes 0. Do what? First extract out the last digit, current last digit of that n. So we can say last digit will be n modulo 10, and then use this formula reverse into 10 plus last digit, and then struct out the last digit that we have done. After using formula once, we struck out the last digit, and this process keeps on going. So we can struct out the last digit by using n divided by 10. It will struct out the last digit of any given number. So this loop will keep on running and will get our result in the reverse variable. So what's the time complexity for this? See, we are running the loop until the ends become 0, and we are dividing it by 10 with a factor of 10 each time. So we get our time complexity will be theta log base 10 and n. But since in time complexity we does not consider the constant values, so our time complexity will be theta log n. And what's the space complexity? Since we are not using any auxiliary space for storing any of the outputs of or any of the data, then we can say the space complexity or auxiliary space is theta 1, or we can say big O of 1. So that's all for today's video. Thank you.